What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today is the 14th day of our Make Money Online challenge on Clickbank using 100% free traffic from scratch. And today I'm just going to give you guys the updates of what has been going on inside our account. And right today I've not been able to do a lot of work because we had power outage for over 24 hours, so I will not be able to do a lot in my social media account by posting. So if you go, for example, to my Pinterest accounts, you're going to see I've never posted anything from there. But if you go, for example, to Instagram, you see that I've just recently posted some videos, and also I've posted some videos on TikTok. And that is because we had a power outage of over 24 hours, so I've not been able to do any work on those social media accounts. So what we're going to do in this video is that I'm just going to go over to our Clickbank accounts, and we're going to see any updates that we have on our accounts, if you actually got any clicks or if you actually made any sales within this time that I was not able to do any posting on those different social media accounts, because we are still going to get some clicks because we have already started growing the accounts and we are already getting impressions and views every single day on the Clickbank side, on the Pinterest account, the TikTok accounts, and also on the Instagram account. So what I'm going to do from here is that I'm just going to make a quick video and show you guys updates of what has been going on inside the accounts. So what I'm going to do from here is that first of all I'm going to go to the dashboard and we're going to see if we actually made any sale or not. So let me just click on this and let's go to our dashboard. So you can see from here we have not made any sale, but I'm very sure that we are close to making a sale because we're getting traffic right now every single day. So today is the 14th day, which means that we have about 15 days, about 16 days left to complete this 30 days Clickbank Make Money Online challenge, and hopefully by the end of these 30 days we're going to be able to make our first sale, because right now the main thing that we are happy about is that we are able to get consistent clicks every single day. So what I'm going to be doing as from tomorrow is that I'm just going to be posting a lot, and I'm also going to try so that we can get at least 10 plus clicks to 20 plus clicks every single day to our account, so that we can make our first sale in that 30 days. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm just going to go right here to our analytics and let's see what has been going on inside the account. So let me wait for this to load. So you can see from here that yesterday we got up to 8 clicks on our account. So we got 8 clicks, so that is an increase from the previous days. So let me just search, for example, by tracking ID, and let's see where our traffic was coming from. So you can see from here, right here we got 7 clicks from our Pinterest accounts, because right now we have up to 4 Pinterest accounts, and I'm very sure I'm going to be increasing the number of that Pinterest accounts, because it's easier to go and create Pinterest accounts that are not going to get deleted than creating, for example, TikTok accounts and, for example, Instagram accounts, because most of the Pinterest accounts you don't need to get verified to start posting and start getting free traffic from Pinterest. So you can go and create a lot more Pinterest accounts easily than, for example, Instagram and TikTok accounts. So I'm going to be increasing the amount of accounts I'm going to be creating on Pinterest, and I'm also going to be posting a lot more content on Pinterest. So another advantage about Pinterest is that you can go and post a lot more content than on other social networks without any restrictions. So you can create a brand new Pinterest account today and you post, for example, 10 videos, or make, for example, 10 posts, and you're not going to have any problem. But if you open, for example, an Instagram account today and post 10 posts, most of the time you're going to get action blocked and you're not going to be able to post any content. So you have an advantage on Pinterest because you can go and post a lot of content and you can go and actually get a lot of traffic from those contents without having to verify any accounts and without getting action blocked on Pinterest. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be creating a lot more Pinterest accounts so that we're going to go and post a lot more content on there, and we're going to try to get a lot more traffic as much as possible, so that within the remaining 16 days we're going to be able to make our first sale in this 30 days Clickbank Make Money Online challenge. Meanwhile, we're still going to be posting on our Instagram accounts, just like this one. Let me go right here. Meanwhile, we're still going to be posting on our 2 Instagram accounts, and we're still going to be getting free traffic from there, and we're going to be growing the accounts so that whenever we have, for example, 5,000 followers, 10,000 followers plus, we're going to be getting consistent clicks every single day from these accounts. So the disadvantage about Pinterest accounts is that sometimes most of them can get banned, but you're going to get traffic from them before they get banned. And the advantage is that you can also go and create the accounts on Pinterest very easily and start getting traffic on the first day and getting clicks on the first day of creating Pinterest accounts. Meanwhile, on Instagram and other networks, it's going to take some time before you start getting impressions and start actually getting people to click and go back to your affiliate offer. So you can see from here, this is our Instagram account. As you can see from here, I've already posted a lot because we had power outage for a very long time, but you can see I've just posted some few videos and some of them are still getting some views right here, and I'm still sending people back to my affiliate offer. I've already posted stories, so I've already posted stories from here, as you can see right here, which is going to make people click and go back to our affiliate offer, and I've put my call to action right here. If you go back to the second Instagram account from here, you can see I'm still posting content as well today, and you can see I'm also posting stories and asking people to go back to my affiliate offer and click so that they can go and buy our product from here. So let's go right here and go back to the analytics. So let's go and check, for example, on today, and let's see how much traffic we are getting today. So let me go on today and see how much traffic we have gotten today. And you can see right here today we have gotten even a lot more clicks, and you can see we have gotten up to 13 clicks. So we're going to try to get this number to at least 20 plus clicks every single day so that we can go and make our first sale very fast within these remaining days of this 30 days Clickbank challenge, using 100% free traffic and without having to spend any money in buying anything. So you can see from here I've gotten already 13 clicks from here. So let's go and see where our traffic is actually coming from. So let me go right here and click on tracking ID again. Let's wait for this to load. So you can see from here that we got 5 clicks right here from Pinterest, and you can see from here you got 4 clicks right here from our TikTok account, and you can see Instagram had 4 clicks as well. And also we can go and see where this traffic is coming from, the countries from where people are clicking to go back to our affiliate offer. So let's go right here. Let me just go right here and search, for example, by country. Let me just click on country and let's see where our clicks are actually coming from. I can see from here we got 4 clicks from the United States. You can see right here these other countries we got, for example, 2 clicks and 1 clicks. So our main goal is to get as much clicks as possible from the United States and other top tier countries, because that is where we can go and easily make our first money from these different countries. So we're going to try to get as much traffic as possible from countries like United States, United Kingdom, Australia, etc. So that is the reason why when you are creating your Pinterest account, you're going to make sure to go and set your location to the United States. So you're going to be getting a lot more recommendations in the United States. So you have now seen how to go and create your Pinterest account to be getting traffic from the United States. You can just go back to the other videos and you're going to see where I'm going to show you setup on how we created our Pinterest account, so you can go and know how to create your Pinterest account the right way so you can go and get traffic from top tier countries. So that's it. As you can see from here, we are getting some traffic. We're getting up to 13 clicks today, and hopefully by the end of the day we are going to get a lot more clicks, and also we are hoping to go and make our first sale using this 100% free traffic method right here. So I go, for example, to the other Pinterest accounts from here. Since I was not able to post any content on these different accounts, but they are still getting views and they are still getting clicks. So what I'm going to do is that the next day, coming tomorrow, I'm still going to post a lot more content on this different Pinterest accounts so that I can go and get a lot more traffic and get a lot more clicks as soon as possible, and hopefully make our first money in these 16 days that is remaining. And also I'm going to be posting a lot more content on these accounts that we have already created. So we have up to 4 Pinterest accounts. We're going to try to drive as much traffic as possible from those accounts, and also be posting on TikTok and on our 2 Instagram accounts. So that's, guys, if you like this video, be sure to leave a like on this video and also subscribe to the channel so that you're going to get notified on the next steps that I'm going to be taking, and also see the results of what has been happening to our accounts. And hopefully you're going to follow me through this journey, and we are going to surely make our first money in this remaining 16 days. So that's it, guys. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.